Hi guys, today I'd love to share something a little personal, a life update from 2025. This year hasn't been perfect, but it has been powerful. Not because everything went right, but because I've learned how to face what went wrong with faith and peace. In the past, I used to carry pain for a long time. I struggled to forgive, and I was easily affected by negative thoughts. But now, I'm learning to control my emotions and let off what I can't change. I forgive more easily, not because people always deserve it, but because I need peace in my own heart. What really gives me courage is my faith. Even when things feel uncertain, I know that God is with me every moment, every step. That truth helps me stay tall, even when life gets heavy. I've also changed how I see success. I used to chase big goals and try to prove myself. Now, I don't aim too high or too low. I just try to live each day with gratitude. I don't need to impress anyone. I just need to do my best, work hard on my own dream, and keep my heart open to God's plan. One of the biggest changes this year is learning to give time, energy, care, without expecting anything in return. Everything I have is a gift from God. I can't take it with me when I'm gone, so why not share it while I can? Where I come from, many people still live in fear. My hometown is under threat from airstrikes. Families that don't know what will happen in the next 5 minutes. They might lose their homes, loved ones, or even their lives. That pain makes me humble. It reminds me not to take my safety or peace for granted. Their struggle has opened my eyes. I've become more aware of how blessed I am and more committed to using my life to serve others. Even if I don't know exactly what's next after graduation, I know this. I want to be a small light in the darkness. I want to stay with my people in the trials, not just from far away, but by showing up, listening, and doing what I can. So, here I am in 2025. Not perfect, but growing. Not afraid, but grounded in faith. I'm thankful for every sunrise, every lesson, and every moment I get to breathe and dream. Thanks for listening to my story. May you find peace in your own journey and the courage to be a light in someone's life. Thank you all for listening. God bless.